Hi guys, I'm just driving in the neighborhood here and I see this. And that looks like a building on top of that mountain. And would that be a castle or something? Wow, it does. It does look like that, eh? Castle, or maybe it's a monastery. But it definitely looks like something I would want to visit. Because how cool is that to fly around it with the drone? So I'm gonna put that on my to-do list and probably I will go there later. Not today. I have other things to do today. I'm at a small lake or pond, whatever you prefer. It's besides the road, and there's a little observation cabin here. And I am Peter, not your average guy, on Cyprus. There's wind here, that's why I have this microphone. I hope the audio will be good. And let's have a look at this pond, because I've never seen this before. And that's wild flamingos. Here they are. Can you see them? I don't know if it's sharp. It's not sharp. Come on, guys. This is ducks. And here are the flamingos. I think there's more here. And on this side, over here, I can see some too. Look how deep it is. There's another one. There should be some more here. Well, there's a whole bunch of them. And as you can see, here is this road. And in a way this is good because it's making a lot of noise. So these animals won't be bothered by a lot of noise. The question is, am I gonna fly my drone? I think I might. I might want to fly around the edges of the lake, so I will not disturb the flamingos. My experience with wildlife is that if you take it easy, they assess very quickly whether this is danger or nothing to worry about. And because it's a machine and it's making noise, it's like they allow it to come much closer to them than a human being. For a human being, they would run away very quickly. But for a drone, it's like, hey, it's a bird, it's making noise. It's not doing anything. So let's just very careful launch the drone, make a couple of shots. Nice weather, so inconsistent firmware found. inconsistent firmware found. Magnetic interference. Maybe because it's on the car. That might be a problem. I forgot to remove that one, which is kind of stupid. And now it is all right, because it's away from the car. So I guess that was the problem. I'm gonna record and launch the drone. So I'm at the side of the pond. I'm going to put the camera down a little bit. I hear a couple of birds making noise. I think I'm going to fly a little bit higher, not much. Let's go forward a little bit. There's a lot of sand out there. Yeah, high wind velocity. I don't see the flamingos doing anything. So now there are birds near me. Okay, I'm going backwards because I don't trust the birds. Now I'm right there. I don't know if these birds were after the drone, actually, or that they were just flying there anyways, but let's go forward again. Like this, and I think I got the flamingos in a good view right now. I can see one flipping its wings, but more like in a resting position, not like ready to fly. So I'm gonna go along the edges. It's difficult to make really smooth motion like this, but it is possible. I think like this it is very nice. You can see the flamingos. It's a large group, and they are not being disturbed by what I'm doing. Like this, I have a very nice view on them. The sun is shining on them. Even though this is a very small screen, I can see them very well on the screen. So maybe I can try to get a little bit closer. Not. I think they're walking away. What are they doing? Are they walking away? It looks like that. I might go down a little bit. Yeah, now they're walking away. So this is too much for them, but this is all right for me. Like I got them on film. That's what I wanted. I don't want to disturb them any more than what I'm doing right now. So this is it. This is flamingos in Cyprus. I hope you like it. Okay, and it's behaving very well in the wind actually. I don't know how strong the wind is, but it's really blowing. Like, I don't know if I can show you, but look at the plants. And can you see it? It's hovering really stable. Very good, very nice. It's like a mosquito. And now it says there is an obstacle. And now it does not see an obstacle. Let's see if I can land it on the palm of my hand. Oh, do you see what it's doing? It's just going up. Okay, well, it's not easy to land on the palm of your hand, but I did it. Without the propellers hitting my fingers, like the other day with the Mavic. Did you like the flamingos? Give the video a thumbs up and keep watching out for the next video because I'm gonna do so much more here. I'm at another big lake now. And there are a lot more flamingos. It's a lot bigger lake, but it's near the airport, so I cannot fly here. There's really a lot of flamingos here. I'll show you. Well, that was fun, or what?